So I played some crow calls on my cell phone, including a crow um, named Cheryl singing "Always Calling Me When I'm Lonely," and all of the uh, pepperoni is now gone from the roof. It was literally 30 or 40 seconds between playing those crow calls. I saw one crow actually come by and pick up, I think, all of the pieces of pepperoni in one visit. I think it was really the Cheryl of crow that got them clued in as to the availability of this pepperoni here. So it's just really amazing. It's pretty cool. There they are. Hello, hello. Hey guys. These are my friends. These are my friends. Hello. Pretty neat. I think they're looking for more. That probably shouldn't be standing up here, given how dizzy I am.